playing Roblox today, and we're playing, say it, Fishing Simulator.
Hello, it's me. I'm tall.
Yeah,
Quack.
she's super tall.
Look at this tiny fish. Look at it.
So
In all
funny.
its glory.
Let's go fish.
Let's go over by the volcano. This looks like a nice spot to fish.
Yeah.
That was okay.
How do you know if you caught a fish?
It'll show bubbles when it. I don't know which.
Oh
You have
no.
to tap your screen.
I know I am.
No, fish escape. Wait, I'm gonna spawn a boat. I need to buy one. I'm gonna go buy a boat.
Okay.
That's expensive like that. Guys, I want to go fish by that volcano. How expensive is one of these dadgum boats?
Hopefully I get a fish.
The cheapest boat is 2,000 something.
No, I'm so bad at keeping it in the line.
I want to get the houseboat.
Oh yeah, that would be a good one.
I'll show you it. This boat.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
It's so expensive.
Yeah, and also make sure to hit that subscribe and like button so you can be part, so you can, get, if you like or subscribe, tell us in the comments and we will tell us you guys our username. No! It's super hard, guys.
It's easier when you You don't want it to have too much power, but you don't want to have too little power.
Yeah.
Should we swim to that volcano? Wait, there's a boat in the middle of nowhere. I'm swimming there.
I'm not. I am just going to. This video won't be long. Oh, I just did it. I just got one. Yeah. It's super easy. Can I tell you how? Can I tell you how? Rainbow sprinkles? So how you have to do it is just look at my screen. So you go like that, you gotta wait for it to appear, then I'll show you. Okay? See, and it's staying in the green line. Oh, I just got another fish. I can, I'm fishing. I will in a second.
Yeah, come on. Swim to the boat.
getting a lot of fishes over here. I got a common trout. Oh, so I first had this small baby one. Then I have this big one. Then I have this tiniest one on Earth. Look at this one.
Yeah, those are babies.
Yeah.
I literally see a volcano island and I'm swimming there.
I'm on a boat. And I'm going
Go to
to...
the volcano island.
I don't want to.
It'll be the best spot to fish.
But I'm already fishing somewhere.
While you're moving.
That's fine.
I see tiny huts. Is there places to live? Where are you guys going?
I don't know. Oh, I got another one of those fishes.
We're not going to the mystical volcano island. This is going to take a while to swim all the way to the volcano island. No, I need to reach level 10. Why? Go around.
Oh, I got a new species. Let's see what it is.
No, I can't go to the volcano.
Oh, that's bad. Oh gosh, now I have to swim.
Yeah, I need to swim back to.
I'm swimming back to shore. We have a long way. Is that even it? Oh, and we will be doing giveaways and Adopt Me and Club Roblox. And I think this video is gonna end in a few minutes.
Yeah.
Because there's not much to do in this game. Where can you sell the stuff? And we will do a part 2 of this, but later. We're gonna do a part 2 of this, but later. So, bye guys. See you guys later.